Welcome to my channel viewers. I hope you are all fine. In this video you will get very beautiful and very stylish ladies different style trousers collection. This is very beautiful, very outstanding and very gorgeous different style trousers collection for girls. I hope you will like this video. So watch this video completely for getting ideas related to fashion. For more latest collection, visit my channel and subscribe to my channel. Very beautiful, different style and in different colors, in different trends. Lots of trousers collection, trousers design you will get from this video. So please like this video and share this video with your friends. Which one trousers design did you like most from this video? Please tell us, and what kind of fashion related content do you want to see in my next video? Very beautiful and very fantastic ladies trousers and pant trousers collection and designs are given in this video. So like this video, share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more latest collection. Which one trouser style did you like most from this video? Very beautiful jeans pants trousers, flapper type trousers and different style. Lots of trousers collection you will get from this video. So please subscribe to my channel right now and press on the bell icon so that you can get our daily update. If you will not press on the bell icon, you will not get any update or any kind of notification from this channel. Very beautiful and very trendy ladies pants trousers design are given for fall season, for winter season and for different seasons. So like this video, share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Always keep remember us in your prayers. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.